Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at the new Soundcore Mini 3. It came out 2 weeks ago. I'll leave the link below if you are interested in one of these. So let's look at the features. Size define the bass, BassUp, Bluetooth is coming with a built-in equalizer, 15-hour playtime, definitely a much better boxing than the older models. So that's the main specs. Powerful bass, BassUp technology. So it's mainly on the equalizer. The app gonna play a lot on the BassUp technology part. Customizable EQ with the Soundcore app. A link 100 plus speakers, so you can connect multiple speakers together. Fully waterproof IP7, 15-hour playtime, USB-C for charging. It does come with the Apple app for Apple and Android. 1 to 3 hours to get a full charged. So the one I bought is the black one. It's around 37 pounds. I'll leave the link below. Fully waterproof, so I'm gonna unbox this and test out the audio. So speakers, I don't want to look at the speakers now, so nothing is in the box, so let's put that aside. Let's see what is in the box. You have USB-A to USB-C for charging, technical guide, that's the user guide, and that is how do we sound. So it's like they want you to rank how they sound, the speakers. It does have the same tone and same feel to the Sony speakers, the XP12s. Oh yeah, it does look very similar. So it does come with the handle. The older model doesn't. So the Anker Mini doesn't have any handles or anything. They definitely have a different materials on the new models. Speakers on the top. So USB-C for charging. So you have the power, audio, so you have the volume rockers, multifunctional button, so you have power off, so you have pause and play and phone call, Bluetooth, and you have a reset. So let me turn that on. Quite good.
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, far from me, babe. I need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care, nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, far from me, babe. Shout his name up, her body's giving up. Time after time, you're always right. Wow. You never chase, you hold me tight. Wow. Give me out, don't you mind it? Never lost you and I cannot find it. Time after time, I think you lie. Let's get closer time after time, you're always right. Wow. You never chase, you hold me tight. Wow. Time after time, you're always right. Wow. You never chase, you hold me tight. Wow. Give me out, don't you mind it? Never lost you and I cannot find it. Time after time, I think you lie. Let's get closer tonight. Yeah. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. You can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and and I'm swerving. If a nigga try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rap a nigga like a motherfucking turban. Yeah, these niggas all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, yeah. Hey, so Indeed, yeah. Hey, so Indeed, hey. Yeah. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. You can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and I'm swerving. If a nigga try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rap a nigga like a motherfucking turban. Yeah, these niggas all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they bomb.
As we listen to the songs, it's freaking amazing. It's much better audio than the older models. If you know the older Anker models, this is much better than the Anker 1 as well as the Anker 2. It's much more bass. It sounds loud. Again, it does have an output of 6 watts, so slightly higher than the normal, but it's much better bass. And you get an equalizer. You get so much control of the audio. What you can do in your audio. What kind of things you want to listen to. So it's definitely a much better speaker overall. To the point, it doesn't have any distortion, no delays, amazing on the audio. If you are considering buying one, I will go for the Anker over Sony, definitely over the JBL Go 3, but I'm not sure with the JBL Clip 4. So we need to test that out. If you guys enjoy this video, please like the video, leave the comments below. What do you think about the new Anker Soundcore Mini 3? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.